Hello friends, if you want to drive by electric, you need to charge it to 70%. As you can see, there we have 24%. We need to go by hybrid and charge our battery. To do it, we go to menu, then here, and there we have a scale. We need to do it on maximum and save it. After that, friends, our car go by hybrid and charge our battery. After our battery will charge full, we need to change hybrid to electric. There we have two buttons. This button hybrid and this electric. We press it and go 50 kilometers. After that, our battery recharge will recharge and switch automatically to hybrid. That's all guys. Subscribe to our channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.